The term enology refers to the study of concepts, and this video deals with the concept of the word. What is a word? A word is a lexical construct which encapsulates a concept. When the concept has a visual version, like the concept of a ball, it is unlikely for anyone to be misled into believing that a loaf of bread is a ball. But when the concept does not have a visual version such as justice, it is quite likely to be misled into believing that justice is punishment or revenge or financial compensation. Actually, we have been misled into believing just that for millennia. The cost of being misled with regard to the true definition of just one word, justice in our example, can be huge. That is how important language and words are. You see, justice, as numerous more words, reside in two universes, the universe of demagoguery and the universe of truth. In the universe of demagoguery, the meaning of words has been twisted to fit the goals of tyrants, oligarchs, and the corrupt in general. In the universe of truth, words retain their genuine meaning. Now, justice is supposed to be a good thing, but punishment and revenge are not good things. However, punishment and revenge are accepted definitions of justice. Justice is supposed to work in a preventive way. That is why once damage has been done, there can never be justice which would remedy that particular damage. Justice is served only when crimes and damage are prevented from happening. But why would demagogues have us believe that justice is punishment and revenge? Because then they can appropriate funds to ostensibly serve justice and fight crime, which means more police, more equipment, more prisons, more courts, more lawyers, more prosecutors, more prison guards, you name it. Now, preventing crime and fighting crime are two very different things. As those funds are earmarked not to prevent crime, but to ostensibly fight crime, at least 50% of that money finds its way back to the pockets of the corrupt, the tyrants, the oligarchs, through various well-studied and finessed techniques and mechanisms which they have developed over the centuries. That is why crime only increases, because crime pays much more for those who are supposed to fight it than for the physical perpetrators themselves. Our corrupt societies need criminals because criminals is their excuse to justify spending trillions on security and fighting crime. How many people's lives have been destroyed by this system of pseudo-justice? The answer is billions. How much money has been wasted? The answer is hundreds of trillions. In those few countries, like Denmark and other Scandinavian countries, where the government really cares about the welfare of their citizens, they make use of the genuine definition of justice which resides in the universe of truth. That is why in Denmark, for example, there is so little crime. Funds are spent on education and free high-quality health care, on financial assistance for those who are disadvantaged, humane prisons, and equal opportunity. To conclude, it makes sense to designate judges, prosecutors, and lawyers as the most corrupt, despicable professions on the face of the earth. They are the incarnation of hypocrisy and evil. As Elon Musk shows signs that he is interested in political philosophy, he is invited in this video to use his influence to promote the idea of embracing the universe of truth. Finally, those of you who recognize the importance of this stance on truth versus demagoguery, please contact me to organize a meeting to further discuss the issue.